7. Hello, just a small group of men. When in rushed the soldiers, let them all win. The flame of terror flickered on the day. So many tears, so much sorrow. The pain has lasted thousands of years, but soon I stop crying. The routine will end. The man Mashiach will descend. Someday we will all be together. Yeah. Someday we shall serve. To express any fear, our stars and our moons will disappear. Our love and Yitzhak will be there to be lost. We are already stood to stand by and survive. Will lead us once again in Yerushalayim, Be'ezrat Hashem. Every day that we daven, we ask Hashem, please bring those old times back. We all know that you're listening. Of course, we know it's true. I received the promise. Will lead us out of this darkness. We can't take too much longer. You know why. And that together we're all gonna come. Together we're all gonna sing. We're gonna praise. Thank you, Hashem, for every day. Will lead us once again in Yerushalayim.